All right, so according to Q&A, rotate next in firing order, top to bottom. I will tell you this. Okay, the next in firing order. The theory behind that is that for those of you who have electricity, you will know that a magneto fire, it's an AC generator, so it's got the first pulse goes this way, negative to positive, next one goes the other way, right? So it's this way and then that way. And so the theory is, and this is a crazy theory, that you have these electrodes. You have the center electrode and then the outer electrode. There's two of them. And so in one fire, it's going, this is the ground electrode here, so this is the negative, and this one is the positive. So it is going to swing, this spark plug is always going to see, let's say, a negative to positive. What's always negative? So it's always going to go this way, right? But the one next to it is always going the other way. Always going the other way. It's going that way because the magneto reverses polarity. So it reverses polarity, so it's going that way. So the spark plug over here, the first one, is going to have a buildup of material. It's going to break down on the outer electrode and start building up the center. And the one next to it's going to have a breakdown of the center and start building up on the outer. I think that's crap. Because if that were true, you would never have to replace spark plugs ever. By rotating, you would simply just transfer material from one to the other. And I've never pulled out a spark plug and go, whoa, that center electrode's really getting huge. I better, okay, so I don't know. That's what I heard. I think that's crazy. Top to bottom, absolutely yes. If nothing else, top to bottom. And the reason why is because the bottom spark plugs are collecting stuff. And you clean, as much as you clean them, it's still going to get lead deposits down inside there, and you can't get it all out. And the top one, because of the heat, it melts the lead and it drips out. So the top ones are very clean. When you rotate them, you clean them and rotate them, the lead deposits come out of this one. So that is a healthy thing for spark plugs. So you can remember that, great. Let's see, this is Champion. So Champion has you do this. So you swap the 1 and the 4. So it's 1, 1. I was going to do firing order. Which one is going where? I'm not going to do that. Waste your time with that. It's 1, 3, 2, 4. But so 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. So next in firing order, that would make sense. So it is kind of next in firing order. So the 1 goes to 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. The 1 goes to 4. The 4 goes to 1. So you're swapping those, and you're swapping the 2 and the 3. So I suppose. All right. So anyway, they tell you to do that, and then Continental, they just get all crazy, and you can't even understand this chart. So let's see, before, I'm not even going to do it for you, but just remember that.
The person that understood it was the person that made it.
I know, I can do it for you, but I'm just going to, if we take the time and do it, it'll make sense. But I don't need to take the time and do it because I'm not going to, Larry's going to cover it and the help of that and all that. So I'm going to let him take care of that. How's that sound?
Good.
All right. Discard. And really, that was 3 minutes for that section.
Sweet.